During this video, we'll walk you through the added features and improvements we've recently introduced in the latest TracerTrak user interface. TracerTrak has a new, improved user experience. We're using HTML5, the latest in web browser technology, so there are several new benefits that you will notice. TracerTrak now uses your browser's entire available screen space and resolution. Maps are bigger and provide clearer information. TracerTrak is optimized for whatever screen size you use, including iPhone, iPad, Android, and Windows Phone. Straight away, you'll probably notice that there's a refreshed look and feel, but as we progress through, you'll see that there's a lot more going on behind the scenes than just an updated color scheme. Let's demonstrate on the Alarms tab we're looking at. As I shrink the window, the content adapts in real time. As the screen gets progressively smaller, it'll begin to drop certain content, such as the quick links on the left of the page. As the window gets even smaller still, you'll notice that the screen resembles a resolution that's not unlike a mobile device, which is another exciting feature we'll show you shortly. Taking a look back at the pre-existing interface for a moment, there are a few subtle changes to the layout that are worth noting, namely the position of the navigation tabs. Comparing this against the new layout, you can see that the tabs that were previously on the right-hand side of the screen have shifted to the top of the new interface. Also, the sub-tabs that were previously on the top are now positioned in line underneath the main tabs. This is designed to make navigation simpler by centralizing the tabs, but also to improve the effectiveness for a mobile screen. The page where you're most likely to take advantage of the full screen capabilities is of course the map page. With the added map real estate at your disposal, it's now even easier to review the location details of your assets or personnel. You can increase this even further by hiding the search and text results panes. To get the panes back, you simply elect to show them. Again, as the size of your screen changes, TracerTrak will adapt to match. We've also improved the way in which text is presented. With a form factor that adapts, information is no longer restricted to static tables. TracerTrak is now fully accessible from mobile devices, so this feature becomes particularly helpful. Managing your remote assets and personnel on the field is now even easier while you're on the move as well. You're able to manage your alarms, find and map your assets, as well as just about anything you can do from a desktop. This is not a mobile website, it's the full TracerTrak site presented to you in the most functional way based on your actual screen resolution. It's important to point out the list of supported browsers. For web applications such as TracerTrak to continue to advance, our developers need to leverage the latest in modern technology. As the web itself continues to develop, this becomes a necessity for the future. For the best experience, always use the latest version, and if you're unsure of what you're currently running, most will tell you whether you're up to date. For example, in Internet Explorer, by going to the Help icon, then About Internet Explorer, it'll tell me if I'm running the latest version or if I need to update. Thank you for taking the time to view this video, and we hope that you enjoy the new design. If you have any further questions, you can contact customer care on either the phone number or the mailbox shown.